everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to discuss about Constitution and its preamble. First, we should know about Constitution. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of the country, providing the framework for governance, defining the structure, procedure, powers and duties of government, institutions, and detailing the rights and duties of citizens. It was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar is the chairman of drafting committee and also known as the father of Indian Constitution. The Constitution established the rule of law, protects and ensures democratic participation, promotes national unity, provides stability and continuity in governance. The Indian Constitution is organized into 448 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedules. We should know about the preamble. Let us know what is preamble. It is the introductory statement of Indian Constitution. It is also called mini Constitution. The preamble was finalized and adopted on 26 November 1949. It came into effect on 26 January 1950. The preamble was once amended by 42nd Amendment Act in 1976. Let us know about the keywords of preamble. We, the people of India, who made the Constitution. It established the sovereignty of the people. The Constitution derives its authority from the people, not any external powers. What type of country the India is? India is sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic country. First, we will know about what is sovereign. Sovereign means India is independence, not the subject matter controlled by any external authority. Both external foreign policy and internal law-making sovereignty. Socialist. It implies social and economic equality, mixed economy with an emphasis on reducing inequality, ensuring the welfare of state. Secular means that the state treats all religions equally and respect all religions and ensure no religion dominates. Democratic means Constitution emphasizes that India has a form of government where people have the power to elect their representatives and all citizens have equal right of opportunity regardless gender, class and equality. Republic means the head of the state is elected, not hereditary. There are no queens and kings. It ensures equality to all the citizens without discrimination. Trick to learn this para is SSDDR, means some smart dogs dance regularly. The objective and aim of preamble is to achieve justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Justice means fair treatment to everyone. There are three types of justice which are given in the preamble, that are social, economic and political. Social justice means no discrimination is made on based caste, gender, religion, etc. Economic justice means fair distribution of wealth. It bridges the gap between rich and poor. Political justice. Everyone has equal political right. Trick to learn. SEB justice, where S stands for social, E stands for economic, and P stands for political. Liberty. Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Here, the trick is T, E, B, F, W. The elephant bring 4 watermelon. Here, T stands for thought, E stands for elephant, B stands for belief, F stands for faith, and W stands for worship. Liberty, which means freedom. It is not limited. It's come with responsibility. Equality of status, opportunity. Everyone is equal before law. No one is above and below. Let us know about the next para, which is fraternity. Fraternity means brotherhood, promotes unity and common citizenship for all the Indians. Fundamental duties encourages fraternity. The famous quote related to fraternity is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means the world is one family. Dignity of individual means every citizen's self-respect matters. Article like Article 17 abolishes untouchability, protects the individual's dignity. Unity of integrity of nation. A unified India, critical for economic progress, social harmony, and national security. It is a duty of everyone to ensure the dignity of India and its national security. The key cases to preamble is Barbary Union case 1960. In this case, Supreme Court held that the preamble is not the part of Indian Constitution. It is an introduction or a guiding tool in itself. Second, Keshav Nand Bharti case 1973. In this case, Supreme Court held that the preamble is the part of Indian Constitution. It is the basic structure of Indian Constitution. Golaknath case. In the Golaknath case 1967, in this case, Supreme Court held that fundamental rights of every citizen should be protected by law. Minerva Mills case 1960. It is related to judicial review. S.R. Bomai case 1994, which it is related to secularism, which is the basic structure of Indian Constitution. Thank you. If you like my video, do subscribe my channel.